Welcome to our channel. This is Kamsi Space. We make videos on food recipes, vlogs and lifestyle from Lagos, Nigeria. Yeah, in this video I want to cook special OGBONO soup. So guys, please watch to the end. If you like the video, subscribe and share. Also comment. The comments help us to know our subscribers. Yeah, let's get started.
The stars landing. Just got home, I've been hovering around the cool kid compound. Started to look real promising, yeah. 225, lucky stars on a Jeep, that's a price. For this guy asking me what I like. Wanna slide on a beat every night. But it right on my face, yeah. Picture you, the star killer place, yeah. It don't matter, I'm still amazing.
Have to add the meat. One more. It's more. Onion. And salt. So you allow it, and again the stockfish. And the stockfish, allow it to soften. Pour the palm oil, allow it to heat a bit. Please put the stove in a low heat. Yeah, I think the oil is hot. And add the chopped onion, then the ground OGBONO. Use your spoon or spatula to dissolve the OGBONO in the oil. Dissolve it very well. Now when the OGBONO is completely dissolved, add the water from the cooked assorted meat. Stir it very, very well. Yes, you can see. The OGBONO has started to thicken. and draw. See? See? I have to put in the water. Keep stirring it. Keep stirring very well until the ogbono absorb the water from the cooked meat. Yeah, this is the consistency you will get. You see? Yeah, allow it to simmer. Please be turning it 2 to 3 minutes so that it will not stick to the pot. I have to put the dry fish, just using small. If it's too thick, you can add water. Now I have to put the assorted meat and the stock fish. Delicious. Oh, this is wonderful. Yeah. Is it thick? I think it's okay. That's how my hubby likes it. 1.5 teaspoon of pepper, then the crayfish. This is seasoning, then salt taste. Check if the salt is okay. Okay. Now allow it to cook for some minutes before you put the leaf. If you like leaves, if you like vegetables, you add. But if you prefer your ogbono without it, then you turn off after some. You know, now I have to add the uziza leaf because I'm using leaf. If you prefer the ogbono soup without vegetable, you can turn off the heat now. But if you like vegetable, you add it. So I'm first adding the uziza leaf. Guys, try uziza leaf in your ogbono, you will love it. I'll just allow it just 10 minutes before I add the vegetable. Yeah, now I have to add vegetable, a small vegetable. Which swallow is better for this ogbono soup? Let me know in the comment section. I'd love to know. Thank you. Yeah, my good people, the delicious ogbono soup is ready. Yummy, yummy. Yeah, you can take this soup with eba, fufu, semo, or any other swallow. Yeah, I know you like this video. In fact, if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you have not subscribed. Please leave the bell icon on so that you'll be notified when next we upload videos. We upload our videos 2 times in a week, Wednesdays and Saturdays. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.
Where I was hoping to find